All right, guys, we're picking up the Lexus, man. Let's go ahead and get up out of here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I didn't even think it was on for a second. We're gonna back up a little bit. I don't want to hit the queue. All right, let me get this out of this parking spot, guys. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, you're picking up the car. My buddy is actually driving the Lexus, so I'll let you guys know how that drives and everything. But as far as the parking lot and everything, I took it around the parking lot, man. Drives good, man. So I'll get back with you guys in a second, and I'll let you guys know exactly how that boy is riding. But from what I just drove it around the parking lot, man, that boy drives good for $1,000. Just got the dent. I know you can kind of see it right there a little bit, you know. But it's gonna be all good, man. $1,000. Let me know what you guys think. I'll let you know what it's driving like in a second. All right, guys, check out what we just bought. $1,000, $1,065 to be exact. Guys, let me know what you guys think about it. Got good tires. Make sure you let me know in the comments below, guys, about this one. You know, we just lost money on the Maxima, so gotta make it up with this one, man. $1,000, $19.99. Let's go ahead and I got the key in my pocket. So go ahead and open it up. But check it out, guys. What you guys think? $1,000, guys. I think it's pretty good, man. For $1,000, man. Look at the back seat. Back seat looks excellent. So we're about to go ahead and get on the road, guys. Now I'll let you guys know how we ride. All right, guys, and we are in the Lexus right now, man. We are on the E-Way. This boy is riding good. Got the 206,000 miles, guys, but we are riding so far so good. No complaints at all, guys. This boy rides like a dream. We got the truck trying to come over on us. But yeah, guys, we're on the E-Way. We're about 40 minutes away from home, and we're riding, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about this purchase. As you guys know, I paid $1,065, so $1,065. You guys let me know what you guys think. Even with the dent in the bumper and the 200,000 miles, you guys let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys when I get to the crib to show you the interior and exterior. I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, guys, check it out, man. Just at the parts store right now. Had to take my boy to the parts store, but just wanted to do a full walk around of it real quick. Now, this is the only thing going on here. But man, I think I got a good deal for $1,000, man. And honestly, man, this is the best driving car that I've bought so far in the past, you know, few cars you've seen in the videos. This boy drives good, man. I've been driving this boy all around, so man, this boy is driving good, guys. But let's go ahead and matter of fact, wait, what is this? This is, I don't know why they did that. I wonder why they did that. They put the tape over there and on this side. But I think, yeah, it's red. I don't know if I should. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it alone. It's on there maybe for a reason, so I'll just leave it alone. But inside, guys, check it out. The back seat is very clean, man. You know, the carpet isn't dirty or anything, guys. The AC does not work. We got some rips right here. It look like they tried to put some tape on it. I might end up just putting like a seat cover on here, guys. We'll see. But this seat is good, so yeah, I might just end up putting a seat cover. I'm not sure yet. But what you guys think? $1,065, man. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I'm definitely gonna make money off this one, guys. Like, even if I just gotta drive it, I'll just drive it because it's driving good. Like I said, this is the best driving car that I've bought in the past, you know, 4 or 5 cars that you guys seen me buy and sell. So but as far as the bumper, am I gonna do anything to try to, you know, fix it or anything? Most likely not. I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it like this. But I'll catch you guys when I get to the house and get it all cleaned up, and I'll let you guys see how it's looking. All right, guys, and we did make it back home. let me just show you guys all around the car. I did kind of clean it up a little bit. It is still wet, but check it out, guys. We put the tire shine on there. It's looking very, very good now. Way better than it did. Still can't hide that dent, but still looks good. I did just leave this this tape on there. I don't know why it's on there, but it's on there. I'm just gonna leave it on there. But like I said, guys, this boy drive better than the past like 5 cars that I bought. You know what I mean? We got the dent here. You know, that can be hidden, but other than that, man, this thing is cool, looking good. Check it out. Check out the inside. I didn't have to do too much on the inside, guys, like just vacuum the floors and stuff. So as you can see, you know, I didn't even have to really touch the back at all, guys. But let's go ahead and take a ride. We about to go ahead and go get emissions for this bad boy. All right, guys, I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, I just want to encourage you guys, because you guys have like really been encouraging me, you know, to like keep pushing and, you know what I'm saying, to keep going and to keep, you know, just putting out content, man. And I thank y'all for that. So I just want to tell you guys and encourage you guys to do the same. You know what I mean? So you're always going to have haters, man. You're always going to have people who say you can't do something, or, you know what I'm saying, who are trying to stop you from doing something. But I just want to let you guys know, you know, like, to never stop, you know what I'm saying, to keep moving no matter what the circumstances is. Keep hustling, you know what I'm saying? Don't let nothing distract you, and to stay focused. That's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. I'm about to go ahead and get emissions for this bad boy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. And like I say, I appreciate every single one of y'all, especially y'all who comment and, you know, like my videos, man, and watch my videos, bro. Like, I really appreciate y'all. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. Daily uploads, man, coming every single day. It's your boy Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace.